All right, guys, welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. Today we are making shrimp Alfredo. That looks good. So let's get started with these ingredients. We've got jumbo shrimp, Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, fresh garlic, some lemon, fettuccine noodles, and we're going to top it off with some chopped fresh parsley. So hey, the first thing we're going to do is get our water boiling for our pasta. We're going to season that up with some kosher salt. Guys, remember, we want to have this water to be salty like the sea, okay? So remember when you were a kid and thought it was cool to drink ocean water? That's what we're looking for. So pasta in. Just cook that for the directions of the box. Let's take our garlic here. Listen, you could always use, garlic paste or some garlic powder or the mint stuff in the jar. But hey, listen, when there's a few ingredients as there is in this recipe, you want to use the freshest you can. So get you some fresh garlic. It's real easy to work with. All we got to do is just hit it with the back of our knife, just like so, and that paper will come off real easy for you. All right, once we got that, we're going to give this a nice little slice and dice. And hey, look, we're not looking for perfection here, okay? We're just trying to eat. It don't have to be, all perfectly cut up. Let's just get this thing going. And let's do this. All right, so once that garlic's all chopped up, that's good enough for me. We're gonna get our pan on medium-high heat. Go in with some avocado oil or the oil that you like to use. In with our shrimp. And guys, we just wanna cook this shrimp for about 90 seconds on each side. It's real easy to overcook shrimp, and we don't want it to be rubbery. So seasoning, we're just going salt and pepper. That's all we need. Now, if we were gonna do a Cajun Alfredo, you could always throw some Cajun seasoning up in there. That would be a nice twist to it. But today we're just gonna go classic shrimp Alfredo. So once our shrimp is cooked through, this is what we'll be looking like. Oh man, and you can smell it, y'all. I'm telling you what. Once that's done, we're going to remove from the pan. And look, don't yell at me in the comment section about how I left the tails on like my wife. All right, let's get started with the sauce. You will never buy the stuff in the jar again after making it, I promise you. So we're going to start off with melting a half a stick of butter. Then we're going to go in with our fresh garlic that we chopped up. Just stir that around for a minute and then go in with about 2 cups of heavy cream. Let that thing bubble up a little bit before we go in with our Parmesan cheese. Oh, guys, this is good. Good stuff right here. Just stir that around, get it all nice and melted. We're getting close now. All right, that consistency looks perfect to me. What do y'all think? All right, so once that is done, we're gonna add in our pasta. It's all right if a little pasta water gets in there. It will just help coat that sauce a little better. Give that a good mix. All right, now we're gonna add in that shrimp and all those gorgeous juices and flavors combined to perfection. All right, y'all. Once that is all mixed in good, we're going to top it off with that fresh chopped parsley. And you got to go with the fresh stuff here, y'all. None of that dry parsley. So, hey, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see y'all in the next video.